High-stakes industries aren't for the faint-hearted. The risks are real, and the consequences? Well, let's just say they aren't great for business or the planet. But there's a smarter way to tackle these challenges. Meet the 𝗏𝗏 method, a visual, structured approach to managing risks that's as effective as it is easy to understand. Let's break it down using a scenario straight from the oil and gas sector. Managing oil spills. At the heart of our diagram is the hazard. Here, it's the possibility of an oil spill during drilling. Beneath it sits the 𝗕𝗵𝗵, a large-scale spill in the ocean. Now, let's see what's cooking on both sides of this diagram. On the left, we list the causes, the culprits behind the chaos. These include equipment malfunctions, because machines have their moods too, human errors, we all have off days, and unpredictable natural forces like earthquakes. Here's where preventive barriers step in as the heroes of the story. These include routine maintenance to keep the gear happy, rigorous training for staff to minimize oops moments, and strict operational protocols to keep things running smoothly. Now, what if the event still happens? That's when we deal with consequences. And let's just say they're not pretty. Think environmental harm to marine life, skyrocketing cleanup costs, and yes, some serious reputation damage. Luckily, we've got mitigative barriers to soften the blow, containment booms to limit the spread, rapid response teams for swift action, and comprehensive cleanup plans to restore balance. The 𝗏𝗏 method isn't just a diagram, it's a dynamic tool. Integrating it with digital platforms allows real-time updates and risk simulations, making it smarter and sharper. At AsInt, we turn risks into opportunities with tools like the 𝗏𝗏 method and innovative safety solutions. Ready to transform your approach to risk management? With AsInt, safety isn't just a checkbox, it's a mindset. AsInt, your partner in safety and innovation. Let us know about your business at info@asint.net.